Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a teenage boy who has not allowed his disability to restrain him from surfing the waves. With that, here's Ken Morgan.
It's my life, you know. All day I dream about surfing, 24/7.
For 16-year-old Nathaniel Bailey, it's not the size of the wave, but the motion in the ocean. It's something he has been doing for the past 2 years, and quite frankly, he loves it. Nathaniel didn't know surfing for him was possible until he received a phone call.
My thought was, I'm in a wheelchair, I can't surf. Because normally, you know, you see surfing is in the movies and everybody's standing up. So I never knew there were people like me who surfed. So then again, I did say yes.
And back he never looked. Nathaniel, who suffers from a birth defect, which contracts his joints and limits his range of motion, says while it was challenging, he grasped quickly.
When I know I'm coming to surfing, there's nothing that can break my vibe because I'm saying, all right, I'm doing what I love. And I use it as therapy, not just physically, but mentally, because no wave is the same, and it teaches you patience. And, you know, the swimming when I jump off of the board and swimming through waves, it helps with my body and stuff. So it's really nice.
Sometimes when the waves are a bit more challenging, it's really hard to read and like really tricky and bumpy, and you know, it's a little bit harder for him. And then some days it's like super easy and super chill and he's just out there killing it and getting really good ones. But he's been, you know, gradually getting better consistently and, you know, loving the sport. So he's just like out here as much as he can.
Ike Wilmot is Nathaniel's surfing instructor at the Jamaica Surf Camp in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. He has been prepping Nathaniel to compete on the international stage.
The experience of going and representing the country, meeting all these other adaptive surfers from all over the world and like, you know, going head to head with them and like showing them that, yeah, he's on the level that everybody else, the best in the world, and he's on that level. It's like it gives him so much more confidence in himself and in his surfing.
Nathaniel, who has participated twice in the ISA World Surfing Games in California, has decided to up the ante next year as he prepares to participate in the 2024 Paralympic Games in Paris.
I want to show people that not because of your condition, it limits you. Really and truly, your only limit is yourself. And if you limit yourself to a certain goal, that's all the way you're going to reach.
The worst happens, you try it and it don't work out, and then you say, well, at least I tried. You know, so anything you want to do, just go for it. And just, you know, it might turn out even better than you ever dreamed.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan. A Ray of